Before installing this mount, please make sure you read the manual thoroughly. Tool check. To install this product, you will need an electric drill, a 7/32 inch drill bit for wood stud installations, or a 3/8 inch masonry drill bit for concrete installations, a 1/2 inch wrench or socket, a Phillips screwdriver, a level, a tape measure or ruler, a pencil, a hammer, and an electronic stud finder. It's also a good idea to have an awl or small nail to verify stud locations. Parts check. Check carefully to make sure there are no missing or damaged parts. Depending on your installation, you may not need every part provided. If any parts are missing or damaged, contact customer service by calling 1-800-359-5520 to have the part sent directly to you. Step 1. Attach the TV bracket to the TV. First, determine the screw diameter your television requires. Hand thread a screw into the insert on the back of the TV. If you encounter any resistance, stop and select another screw diameter until you have the correct size. The long screws should only be used with spacers, or they could crack the monitor case or damage your monitor's internal components. If your TV has a flat back, proceed to Step 1-1. If you have a TV with an irregular back, or you need extra space to accommodate cables, recesses, or protrusions, proceed to Step 1-2. The following steps only outline standard configurations. If you have a special application, contact customer service at 1-800-359-5520. Step 1-1. Attach the TV bracket to a TV with a flat back. Position the TV bracket on the back of the TV and ensure it is level. Thread the short bolt through the appropriate flat washer, followed by the monitor bracket, and finally into the TV. Tighten the bolt with a Phillips screwdriver. Step 1-2 and 1-3. Attach the TV bracket to a TV with an irregular or obstructed back. First, determine if your installation requires the shorter spacer or the longer spacer. Then, push the shoulder washer through the TV bracket opening and snap the washer into the spacer. Position the TV bracket on the back of the TV and ensure it is level. Thread the long bolt through the appropriate flat washer into the TV bracket, followed by the shoulder washer and spacer, and finally into the TV. Tighten the bolt with a Phillips screwdriver. Step 2. Lock the arms on the wall plate. Mounting the wall plate and attaching the TV is easier when the arms on the wall plate are locked. To lock the arms, slide the arms together and insert the slide lock into the locking position A on the wall plate. Step 3. Attach the wall plate to the wall. If you are installing your mount on a wall with wood studs, proceed to Step 3-1. For installations on a concrete wall, proceed to Step 3-2. Step 3-1. Attach the wall plate to a wall with wood studs. Please note, for safe installation, any drywall or other wall covering material may not exceed 5/8 an inch in thickness. Use an electronic stud finder to locate and mark 2 studs. At this time, it's a good idea to verify the stud locations with an awl or thin nail. Taking into consideration the overall size of your television, hold the wall plate template against the wall to verify the correct height for your mount. Use a level to ensure the wall plate template is square with the wall before marking the 4 hole locations with a pencil. After you have marked the hole locations, use the 7/32 inch drill bit to drill the 4 hole locations to a depth of 3 inches. Attach the wall plate using the 4 lag bolts and leg bolt washers. Use a level to ensure the wall plate is square with the wall. Tighten the bolts with the socket wrench. Do not over-tighten the bolts. Step 3-2. Attach the wall plate to a concrete wall. Please note, for safe installation, mount the wall plate directly onto the concrete surface and never drill into the mortar between blocks. Taking into consideration the overall size of your television, hold the wall plate template against the wall to verify the correct height for your mount. Use a level to ensure the wall plate template is square with the wall before marking the 4 hole locations with the pencil. After you have marked the hole locations, use the 3/8 inch masonry drill bit to drill the 4 hole locations to a depth of 3 inches. Using a hammer, gently tap a lag bolt anchor into each of the 4 holes. Attach the wall plate using the 4 lag bolts and lag bolt washers. Tighten the bolts with a socket wrench. Do not over-tighten the bolts. Step 4. Install the wire management assembly and wall plate covers. Attach the upper wall plate cover with 4 screws. Tighten the screws with the 1/8" hex key. Position the rear mount of the wire management assembly between the lower wall plate cover and the bottom bracket of the wall plate, and attach the lower wall plate cover with 4 screws. Tighten the screws with the 1/8" hex key. Step 5. Attach the TV to the wall plate. Please note, before proceeding, verify the wall plate and TV bracket are firmly fixed to the wall and the back of the television, respectively. With the help of an assistant, attach the TV bracket to the faceplate. Fit the knobs on the bottom of the TV bracket into the keyhole slots on the faceplate. The knobs on top of the TV bracket will drop into the slots on top of the faceplate. Secure the TV to the faceplate with locking screws. Tighten the screws with the 3/16" hex key until they capture the knobs on top of the TV bracket. Step 6. Install the wire management assembly to the TV bracket. Please note, do not perform this step if you did not attach the rear mount of the wire management assembly in Step 4. Attach the front mount of the wire management assembly onto the back of the TV bracket with 3 screws. Tighten the screws with the 1/8" hex key. Step 7. Install the wire management system. Please note, do not perform this step if you did not attach the rear and front mounts of the wire management assembly in Steps 4 and 6. After all of the necessary wires are plugged into your TV, remove the front, rear, and center covers of the wire management assembly. Route your TV wires through the front, rear, and center sections of the assembly. Return the covers to the assembly. Step 8. Adjust the up and down tilt tension. To adjust the up and down tilt tension, use the M3 hex key to tighten or loosen the tension knob on the faceplate. After setup is complete, remove the slide lock from the locking position A and fit it into the grooves of one of the slides for storage B. You are now ready to enjoy your newly mounted flat panel television. Thank you for your interest in this SANUS flat panel TV wall mount. If you have any problems with this product or have questions about installation, please do not return it to the store. Instead, contact customer service at 1-800-359-5520.